In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a KPI dashboard in Monday.com. This will be a great way to track your key performance indicators and keep your team aligned on the most crucial metrics for your business. Let's get started by setting up your data board. Begin by creating a board that holds your raw data, whether it be sales, projects, marketing, or team performance. Each item on this board will represent a KPI record, such as a project, sale, or campaign. You'll need to add several columns for the metrics you wish to track. Think of using a numbers column for metrics like revenue, tasks completed, or leads generated. A date column is perfect for noting periods or reporting dates. For progress tracking, incorporate a status column with options such as on track, behind, or completed. Lastly, use drop-down or text columns for categorizing data by department or region. Once your data board is set up, it's crucial to organize your data effectively. Ensure consistency across your entries to avoid any missing or mismatched data. You can use groups to separate different categories, such as Q1, Q2, or by team. Regular updates will keep your board relevant. If manual updates become burdensome, consider automating data updates through integrations. Now, it's time to create your dashboard. From your workspace sidebar, click the plus add button and select New Dashboard. Give it a distinctive name, like KPI Dashboard 2025. You'll then choose Connect Boards to link to the board or boards holding your KPI data. Linking multiple boards, like those for sales, marketing, and operations, is possible if your metrics span different areas of your organization. With your dashboard set up, you'll now add key widgets for visualizing your KPIs. Start with the numbers widget, which is ideal for showing total sums or averages, such as total sales or an average project rating. Simply choose the metric column you want and select the calculation type, like sum or average. For trends, use the chart widget. It's perfect for visualizing changes over time. Select your data board, choose your preferred chart type, be it bar, line, pie, or area, and define your X and Y axes. X might be a time period or category, while Y is typically a KPI metric. To display progress towards specific goals, use the battery widget. Set your goal value and link it to a numbers column for real-time progress tracking. Next, add the table widget to display raw data capable of being filtered by date range, project, or department. Optionally, incorporate a timeline widget to showcase time-based KPIs. Customization of dashboard views will help you focus on what matters most. Use filters to show only relevant KPIs, such as those for the current month or a specific team. Grouping by categories like team, department, or status clarifies organization. Consider color coding for fast assessment. For example, green for on track and red for behind. Adding goals and benchmarks will help you analyze performance targets compared to actuals. The goals widget or battery widget is excellent for this. For instance, if your sales target is 500,000 and current sales are P4 20,000, progress would show as 84%. Share your dashboard with your team to foster collaboration. By selecting Share Dashboard, you can set visibility options and invite stakeholders to view or comment. Ensure permissions are set to prevent unauthorized edits. For automated reporting, set up a dashboard email summary. This feature allows you to send KPI snapshots weekly or monthly, an effective way to keep your team and clients informed. Finally, regularly review and enhance your dashboard to ensure it continues to align with your ongoing business goals. As your KPIs evolve, adapt your dashboard by adding or removing widgets. Integrations with platforms like Google Analytics, HubSpot, or Excel can bring in real-time data, giving an up-to-date picture of your business. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to building a powerful KPI dashboard in Monday.com.